ngoyingira ssomero.
Yes, it's not just about oba wakoze otya mu class oba biki. There are many things. They look at you, how you speak, your confidence, your poise, how you look, your talents, everything. They speak to you about how do you speak, like so many things. So gundi ezo bazikolera interviews ezo bazikolera ku National Theatre.
Ngaza ssomero.
Yes.
Ne basira ku National Theatre.
Yes.
Mwe mwali bagagga.
So
nsonyiwa sigera biddamu.
Ne bantwala nempita so nenjoininga Namasagali for S2.
Wayina okumodelingamu, wayina okuyimbamu.
I think I also sang, I remember. Yeah, because I remember bakubuzanga ebintu bingi about your talents, about many things. It was like general stuff. So anyway, enjoying S2. Eyo nabeerayo paka S5.
Namasagali. Olunaku olusooka olwo ndwagala nnyo.
Oluliwa.
Ng'oyingidde baku auditioninze, mwayingiranga keesi za mbaawo nga bakulese ku ssomero.
Twabeeranga ne zuka abaana basinga twabeeranga ne keesi za mirundi ebiri. Twabeeranga ne what you call a suitcase or a bag.
Mama nga ya zipu.
Tuteke ngoye. Then tubeera ne trunk. Ojjukira zino trunk ozimanya ez'ebyuma. Kati trunk ezo mwe twateekanga grab.
Mpulira mama.
So ng'abaana basinga obeera ne trunk ya grab n'evunde.
Yeah, abantu abamu tebalina kubeera naffe.
So yeah, so that's what we used to do. And by the way, the way they had built the dormitories, twainanga pantry on every door. Batitanga pantry. I remember that's what we used to call it. Katinga mututeka grab waffe.
Oh yeah.
Then of course to mujam trunk, like trunks zamweza grab mwezvera, and you just lock it.
N'ekisumuluzo.
Yeah, the door used to have for safety.
Ngagobera nakyo.
Mwaba room eyo. Kati buli rooms bili zaberangana. Anyway, kati nga mu room mwe musula obera mu just with now the gundi yengoye.
So someone knows more equal now.
Nenga wali wala. Namasagali was far. So wali olina okubeera nga bakuparkingira enough grab.
Yeah.
Enough.
Walukagga kanyambi nnyo omuyimbi bamuyita Mathias Walukagga. Olulimi lumusumbuwa. Walukagga nga bwe wabeeranga ekinyerere primary school ne bakusibirira ekikajjo ne kubanga ffe yaffe wafunanga eggolu n'akatogo ka muwogo n'okasiba mu lulagala. Ensawo zaffe ebbaaga eza sukuulu bakuzima ez'amamanya go baaka to sukuulu. Yabanga maama we yabanga atunze gomesi ne kufikako olugoye nga balutungamu ensawo ne bateekako oluwuzi lw'okola ki mwe mubeera eggolu mwe mubeera ebitabo. Kati ye Walukagga gwe z'oyita gulaabu zino ezammwe mbu mwafunangayo manya n'apeta kati ate awuyite wazikiro yajjanga n'emiyembe mu nsawo y'emu ey'ebitabo ne peeni nga n'empale kuba biri kuluka ayambadde munne oba ye ng'emwambadde oba ye nga yajambadde kati zeezo grabs honale.
Yeah, but you know mangoes are very organic. Katona nti mwate mwali mulya bulungi.
Ne mama.
Twatulya.
Of course, ebyennaku zino bwe tukula bwe twegumya yegwe. So your first day in Namasagali ng'oyingidde mu gateway wu?
Oh my God, it was like Katonda one. I was excited nga ninganga go batutte in an academy where I finally met my kind of people.
Yeah.
Kwegamba, I enjoyed every minute of that school until I miss it. There was no dull moment.
Class moments zabanga zitya?
Class zaberanga, class zaffe zakomanga sawa nga. Okay, after lunch, twaberanga ne classes nenga si nyingi. Like you'd have like one lesson after lunch. Ngekomanga ku sawa mwenda. About an hour or 1 hour and a half. Then after that, ngamuddayo mu dormitories, you know, freshen up, then change into. If you want.
You come back and
change into PE.
Mama.
PE, which was we used to have a PE uniform, shorts and
kati nyo nga tonnayongerayo tukyalina obudde. Ekisooka wali ku mwenda muwe mukoma. Ate ffe twabanga tugenda kusenyanku za buugi mu kibira. Oba ogenda hata ndikurafuti okulukenjeyo Walukagga babanga bagenze kubba ffene mu kyalo okulumya amannyo kati physical education gyoyogeddeko walukagga babajjangamu essaati nasigala ne tubuuka buuka ekiwojjolo buuka so ne mu secondary mwenga mwina physical education
in the afternoon. Yes, but now what would happen is bwe muva mu dom kati buli omu agenda n'azannya kyayagala because twabeeranga basketball, soccer, kyayagala. Bwe batolina gundi you can go and read a book. Kugamba that was like almost like free time for you to just do whatever you want. Never single bakosanga sports. Kati fe abali mu dance class. That was now time for dance class.
Dance chingani wa dance gwe.
Rakwanze, I think you've never okay, I can't dance like Shiba. No, I don't twerk, I don't Shiba katiyari kulevonda. That's a different kind of dance. But I'm talking about choreography.
Oh.
I'm talking about like ballet dancing, like
no one can board in the
that's what I'm talking about. So we used to do it has a general name, like dance. It has a general name. You remind me the word. It has a general name. But anyway, we had dance class. So
dance.
Dance. But it has a general word. So we used to have dance class at 5. Actually, Faba in a dance class, we also used to have dance class in the morning, very early. Katesawa twazukanga probably about 5:30 or 6. And then we would have like 20 minutes of, cleaning around your dormitory and the chichi. Katfabali in dance class, we were excused from that because we used to have dance class from 6. So we'd go for dance class for an hour and then come back and, get ready, shower, bichi,
for
and
classes.
Class.
Okay.
So we used to have dance class twice a day. That's at 6 in the morning and at 5 in the evening. Then after that would be dinner time. That's at 6. Dining room, of course, like a dining hall, a big one. I remember in Namasagali, we used to call it mixing levels. We never used to mix levels. Yeah, it was against the rules. So S1 and S2, they were sokanga mu dining area. Nevalia, Fuluma. S3 and S4, Mudako. S5 and S6 in Masengari. So tutorial and family. But I remember we used to have like big tables in the dining hall. Yeah. And if I'm not mistaken, they used to make sure it was girls and boys. Like girls on one side, boys on. But we gizanga ekintu ky'okusocializing, not okubeera mbu simanyi abawala mbeera mweka abalenzi mbeera mweka. Ale ekintu ekyo kyatuyamba nnyo. Kubanga ogenda ova mu ssomero nga tulina nnyo maalo mu bintu ng'ebyo. That's why it was rare to hear mwana wina Masagali yafunye olubuto. No, because socializing with people of a different sex was normal. So it was just normal. But tetulina nnyo kyetukola kiri beyond that. But yali atuyigiriza kubeera around each other. So I remember in the dining area it was the same arrangement, and so by about 6:45 twabeeranga tumaze okulya. Because I remember it was like 1 hour. Nenga mwina okuyingira ne mulya like 15-20 minutes, get out abala ne baddamu. Then you go back to the dormitory, freshen up, take a shower, get ready for evening prep. Nga amasomero amalala so twabiranga ne evening prep negwa around maybe 9:30 sijukire bemu
mubufunza obulamu ne buba bulungi ennamasada naye bino wawasinga okunyumira okukola obulungi mu music dance, ballet dance, biki ate academics oba byonna wabibalancing.
I think when it comes to academics I was fair. Yeah, I wasn't like the smartest. I was just there. I wasn't bad deal. I was just there. But my interest yali nnyo mu bidala, music, dance, drama. Like those are the things I used to like. Sadly, nnyo into sports either. Yeah, when it came to dance, music, and everything.
Okay. Tebakugobaako.
Munene.
Ng'otolose. Anyo muzego okutoloka.
Ebintu ebyo munange ndoza nali fala, like we used to say. Like I was just a coward. So I used to be on time for everything. I used to miss meals. Kubanga one thing in Namasagali was meals were compulsory. Olanga bembera mu kisulo nobanga ogamba lero sagala kulya mmere ya ssomero. Namasagali lyali teeka.
Terujanja.
Era nga bakolanga roll call ne bakusanga mu misize meal. So kati nze byonna nabeeranga kuba nalinga nti okumenya
amateeka. Ate nga n'essomero lyagala. Kakati wate wogattira mu misomo gino tutandika okulaba Yana. Kozi Yana balisala ku Juliana.
Yana lyava ku nga we nagambye nti nze ne Eddie twakulira kumpi wamu kubanga Eddie ansinga omwaka gumu. So twali tulinga abalongo almost. Kati Eddie bwe twali abatonga Eddie ekigambo Juliana kyamulema. He couldn't say Juliana. So every time bamuga say Juliana nagamba Yana. Say Juliana. Yana. So from the time we were kids nibanko computer Yana. So Yana is like a name they call me at home.
Okay. So agatta atya mu ndongo yaffe eno eyene ebweru wanna Masagali. Twagala tutuge nti ebyesomero at least otubuuliddeko awo Namasagali. Kati ate oyingira otya mu kidongo kino ekyolukale?
Kati ekyaliwo nzijukira nali in fact that same year when I joined Namasagali in S.
Same year 1972.
96.
Okay.
Kati twali tukomyewe waka for holidays. I think it was our first time holidays. Kati twali tubeera at that time twali twavaayeri jenagambi tetwako. Twali tubeera olaba William Street behind Hotel Equatorial. Waliwo kati I think KCCA offices, I think. Those used to be residential flats. Twabeeranga mwezi of flats. Is it right opposite Equatorial once out? So I come back for holidays. I remember my brother, I think he came from day school, day school, something like that. But my brother also had a love for music. So he used to like DJing. Kati, bali bakagulawo Sabrina's. Kati Sabrina's nga when Gambia, because we were living down here, it was right above us. Ngediao, like across the road. So I come back for my holidays. My brother goes like, wait, there's a place up there. They just opened it, but they introduced this new thing called karaoke, as it's supposed to be called. Ningamba, Nangamba, it's amazing. Should I take your name to do it? Nanga to sing. Nanga kutwala oyimba abantu bakulabe. You have a nice voice.
Yeah.
Namugamba I can't. Dad tajja tukkiriza. Nangamba no. Tugenda tunsabe nze nja kulabirira. So it was him and another friend of ours who was our neighbor. So tugende wa dad ne tumugamba I don't want to take me to Sabrina's to sing. What time I went? Mommy,
yeah.
You're not taking my daughter anywhere. My dad, on the other hand, was on the opposite side. My dad was like, Muleka again. What have gone to say? My dad was very liberal. Muleka again. The caster she's with the brother. He'll take care of her, and then he'll bring her back. Not one at a time. Naga by 9. I want you guys back here. So they took me and I got on stage and sang. I remember at that time I used to sing a lot of Mariah Carey. So ngenda ku Sabrina's, I fill in the form by forms where you'd fill your name and the song you're singing, and then they would call you. So I filled the form and I put a Mariah Carey song called Anytime You Need a Friend. So I get on stage, I start singing. Then I just see the crowd.
Tobatidde abantu bano bw'oyingidde mu Sabrina's mulimu bantu nga benkanakyo.
Baali bantu bakulu. Era nali ntidde like I was scared. I was nervous, I was shaking. But you know there's this thing bw'oba oyagala nnyo ekintu bw'otandika okukikola like okutya kuvaawo. So the moment that mic was switched on and that music started playing, I just became something else and started singing, and then the whole crowd lost it. Nebawukana nnyo kanywera okuyimba. Nenziruka Mike nenjibawa nenziruka nengendera emabega abantu nga njala kudduka ngende. Jukira bangambye
Sawa 3.
So Manziruka went, I think it was Colin. Colin, younger caller for WBS.
WBS, yeah.
Colin was the MC, I think. So Colin calls me back. Nanga, come back here. Nanga, what's your name? Nanga, Juliana. How old are you? I got 16. 16 and you sing like that? Anyway, that's how I started. So what I used to do, buli holidays, buli wenaumulanga. That's what I look forward to. The way you get holidays and you look forward to hanging out with your schoolmates. Me, I used to look forward to going to Sabrina's.
Njola kutegeera. Mwasisinkanako mu high school ne Irene Nambiru.
Yes. Twasinkana Namasagali. Interestingly, yaliko e Bugema as well. But then, as I was joining Bugema, she had left. She had just left. She had left S4. So when tuka Namasagali, atela ne Musanga. Kwa when I took Bugema bali bamungamba because they noticed I know how to sing. Okay, there's another chick who was also here called Irene. She also really knows how to sing. So I got to Namasagali and she was there. So immediately we became friends from there, and then we met again at Sabrina's. So yeah, that's how we became friends.
Uliza Radio Sapiensia ndine yana mu studios one. Where is the messages zo zensinzo okulaba za kuwaniriza oyo divo oyo divo naye ziwere ku WhatsApp number not nzantano mwenda not nyanya emu nesimu not nyanya munyatano 19 mukage mubiri tunywe mu story no ekisinzo okunnuma mu kiri kinu kyokka amasomero agamu agatuleeteranye ebizibu abamu nti ddala olumuwala omwana bwe mba mutayenkana nga ngenda yo ku dining ewaabwe endala n'endala. Fortunately nayo ayo waffe tewali buzibu nnyo mu ekereziya naye nsaasira nnyo Walukagga Sebbaali abantu bwe batyo webuwaate misa kibambi baali babonaabona nga tebakenzo bambi nze nali kalekaleko gwebireke
waliyo
ndabambeera omulaba ntambuza yanga tonoga hawaalu so atuyisirizaamu mu mbeera kati bwe tuwummulamu tugenda kudda tufune ku messages zammwe tusimbulire awo olugendo lwa aije luba lusobodde okutuuka. Okay. Bannange omwana ono anyirira bannange olumu mbeera ensaasira abantu nga nze nnyina muto wange anyirira bwati nogamba abalukadde ne bansekerera awa era buli muntu awaana we nga kale sooka tuzanye obulango buno banetudde.
Magezi ensolo y'omuziki emizannyo
mikwano gyange